And who's most wanted person in hackers community? Sure, it's reviewers. A lot of people want to propose their code, but not everyone wants to check others' code. And this is important work. And if you put your patch on CommitFest, it's mandatory to make a review of at least one patch of some other hacker. And if you are working for some sponsors full-time on Postgres development, you have to state clearly if you post your patch on CommitFest, it's your work to review some others patch. And either reviewing a patch is a great way to start to be part of a community. If you have no ideas what to implement right now, you can just inspect others' code and spot maybe some deficiencies in other patches and learn how to change, how to develop a code, and learn about existing features of Postgres. And reviewing patch is a great job, actually. If you want to post a review, there are some mandatory parts of a review which are expressed in the form of a CommitFest app to send a review. If you open make a review button in the CommitFest app, you will see this form. Here you pick a message and your review will be mailed answer to this message, and it also will be sent to list. So your review will generate a new mail letter in a mailing list. And you have to specify, have you done install check world? So have you done regression tests, and does the patch passes all of them? Does the patch implement new feature? Is the feature specification compliant? And does new patch contain documentation for the new feature? And then there is a free part, but it's the most important work to write. What do you think about the patch? How is the code in the patch? Is it good or is it bad? And how can you recommend to improve the patch quality? What's the goals of the feature? Is this good feature, or maybe this feature have some drawbacks? And some other your suggestions about new feature implemented by the patch. And at the end of the review, you have to change the status. You can say that it still needs the review of someone else, or is it ready for committer, or maybe author should change something in the patch, and now you are waiting for the author to take into account his suggestions.